your next visit to the Walt Disney World Resort can either be the best experience you have ever had or an absolute nightmare. And it all comes down to one tool and knowing how to use it. That's the story this week. Welcome back to the Bears Den. My name is Chris, and this is a little thing that I am calling the Bear Necessities. These are videos where I'm gonna share some practical tips to help you with your next Walt Disney World visit. So if you're new here, consider subscribing, and let's get into the story this week. I think that there are a lot of things that we would each individually consider to be the one thing that we would need when we're planning a trip to Walt Disney World. But there is actually one thing that everyone needs no matter your planning style, and that is the My Disney Experience app. This little app right here is your key to the world. It is literally everything when it comes to your visit to Walt Disney World, and with Disney only pushing technology in the parks further, this app is becoming more important with every single update until we get our new planning app from Disney called Disney Genie. Now, of course, we don't know when Disney Genie is actually going to be released or will be available for use, but think about it this way. Learning how to use My Disney Experience is gonna make learning Disney Genie a lot easier. So what exactly do you need the My Disney Experience app for? Well, let's run through a couple of things. You can find all your park hours in here. It has a park map, wait times for attractions. You can make dining reservations. You can make park pass reservations. You'll be able to make fast pass reservations when they come back. Mobile ordering at quick service restaurants. Virtual queue sign up, which is very important for Rise of the Resistance. You can open your resort room from the app. You can get into the parks with your ticket from the app, and so much more inside of an app on your phone. It's like a sales pitch for My Disney Experience, like, use My Disney Experience, the best planning tool for your Disney World resort. Now, My Disney Experience, or MDX for short, is available on both Android and Apple devices and can even be accessed from a web browser on your computer by going to the Walt Disney World website. In this video, we're gonna be focused on setting up our profile inside of My Disney Experience, but this is the first of a series of videos that are gonna help walk you through all of the features in MDX so that you can use this incredible tool to plan your next visit to Walt Disney World. So let's get into setting up your profile in My Disney Experience. The easiest way to set up a profile and get started is going to be on a web browser, so let's walk through how to do that now. First, you need to go to disneyworld.com. Now, when you type this into your web browser, some long URL like disney.go.world or whatever is gonna pop up, but just typing in disneyworld.com is going to get you to the right site. Next, on the navigation bar at the top of the page, you'll see My Disney Experience all the way to the right. If you click on this, that will open the drop-down menu. Once we've opened the drop-down menu, we're gonna go all the way to the bottom and click Sign In or Create Account. Now, this is going to take us to a page where we can either sign in or create an account. Obviously, since we're just getting started, we're gonna wanna click Create Account, which is just below the question that asks whether you have a Disney account or not. Obviously, after you click Create Account, you're gonna wanna fill in all of your information. Go ahead and select whether you wanna receive emails or not, and then once you're finished, hit Create Account. This will create our My Disney Experience account for us, but we have one more step before we sign into the app, and that is to choose our avatar. Go to that My Disney Experience logo that's on the right-hand side of the navigation bar and click to drop down the menu again. Then you're gonna go to Profile. From there, you're gonna click Change Character, and you're gonna find this under your name at the top of the page. Pick out the character that you want to have as your avatar, and that's it. Download the My Disney Experience app onto your Apple or Android device. Open it up, and there should be a dialog box for you to sign in. You're gonna use the same email and password that you used to create your profile on your web browser to sign in on the app. And one way to know that you're definitely signed into you is by checking that your avatar shows up at the top of the My Disney Experience app. Once you're signed in, you are ready to start planning on the My Disney Experience app. In the next video, I'm gonna walk you through how to connect with your family and friends so that you can start planning your next visit to Walt Disney World together. Like this video if you like this video, subscribe and click that bell if you want to see more videos just like this one. And remember, there's a great big beautiful tomorrow.